at what high and Clark. Park my truck on the corner. Go to the store, buy a blunt, smoke a marijuana, nigga. So fucking real, nigga. So what motherfucking trill? I'm like you, gotta stay true. Rest in peace, crew. I do what I do. I got to be the boss, south side of flout, south side of coming down, boy. H-Town, boy. I'm the really trilling motherfucking real crazy motherfucking master, disaster, ghetto pastor, bastard child. On a mic I may be but I might smile, make it worth your while. I'm a stand tall, watch a hater fall. Real, I think I got one. She not dumb, she got a little brain, about to go and say I need some. I got a con, I need to have fun. I need a big ass gun, big ass gun. Lazy ass white folks, lazy ass white niggas, so I got up the law. Something rough and raw, motherfucking ball. A superstar, need a call. I'm a killer, aggravated freestyle, Make you wanna think about fucking with me, fucking what I got. Oh shit, you about to get got. I'm a killer, don't give a fuck. Mama don't give a fuck. I damn give a fuck. So what I'm supposed to do? Say fuck you. I'ma stay true. I'm an H-Town nigga. I got the town trigger. I got the chick kinda sneaky. I got the big freaky. Pick a boo. Fuck you. I'ma do what I do. I fucking live my life. Fucking swish it, roll tight. Pussy too. Know what I'm saying? Gotta be true. Gotta be real. Show my skills. I'm fucking 40, bitch. I know the goddamn deal. My block, my corner. Started in 82, now it's 2008. I don't hate, but I will create, terminate. Motherfucker on the mic, I motivate. My game is so fresh, it's on my chest. My name, about to bring the pain. Chaos, I'm coming down. Where you from, nigga? H-Town. My city, attitudes, my city. Me, I got the subject cleared from a clean bitch. From a real bitch, suck my dick, bitch. I'm a freaky motherfucker, fuck a motherfucker. Tired of shit, man. I'm not a sucker, boy. I'm coming down. I got more nuts. Motherfucker claim to be a gangster. I roll by myself, by the hell. Fuck you. I'ma stay true, nigga. I need me, nigga. Fucking me, nigga. I ride on you, your whole family, ho. Fuck you, nigga. 1 nigga, 2 nigga, 3 nigga, 4 nigga. Fuck y'all niggas, bitch. I'm getting bigger, ho. I'm still walking, still talking, steady chalking, knocking holes off. I'm from the motherfucking south side. Big boss. I'm from the south side. I'm in the Clark Woods in the southwest. Straight to call my old hood. I got to talk. I love having fun. I say fun. It's all about rhyming. It's all about climbing. It's all about shining. I'm mining. I want me the best you see. Say for real, nigga. Say E equals pain, gain, no shame, I ain't lame. No, baby. I'm about to go crazy. Believe in achieving, watch you die. I'ma get it. I know I'm ready to hit it. I gotta be tighter. I'm so tight, nigga. I'm not a side, I'm not a hater. Now your boy Flair from the West Himalayas. Gotta fucking say it. I'ma get mine. You can't stop me, no right. Stop me. I'm chaos and I'm a bring the pain, boy. Bring the pain, boy. Down to you niggas and bitches. Chaos down for motherfucking riches. It's going down, baby. I'm the master. I'm the shit, so suck my dick, bitch. Okay, yeah. Fuck no. Bounce that shit and do another one. I believe in my freestyle. I believe in my rhyme. If you fuck with me, I might get